Space, it's cold. Like really cold. The kind of cold that makes your freezer look like a tropical vacation. But here's the crazy part. The coldest known place in our entire solar system isn't where you'd expect. Not on Pluto, not on Neptune, and definitely not floating out there in deep space where no sunlight ever goes. Nope. It's actually much closer to home. Imagine standing somewhere so dark that sunlight has literally never touched the ground beneath your feet. A place where shadows are older than humanity itself. Creepy? Maybe. But fascinating? Absolutely. That's where our story begins. For the longest time, scientists thought Pluto was the frozen champion. I mean, it's 6 billion kilometers away from the sun, a lonely little ice ball on the edge of our solar system. Temperatures there drop to around minus 230 degrees Celsius. That's the kind of cold where even your thoughts would probably freeze mid-sentence. But then, NASA came along with a surprise twist. Their Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter pointed its instruments not toward distant Pluto, but toward our very own moon. And what it found blew everyone's minds. At the moon's south pole, there are craters so deep and perfectly angled that sunlight never enters them. For billions of years, those places have been in permanent darkness, untouched, unlit, and unbelievably cold. How cold? Around minus 248 degrees Celsius. Yeah, even colder than Pluto. So the coldest known place in our entire solar system is right next door. Inside these eternal shadows, molecules barely move. If you tried to breathe there, well, you couldn't, but if you did, your breath would turn to ice before it left your lips. Metal would shatter like glass. Even time would feel slower, swallowed by that endless silence. And hidden in that silence is treasure. Not gold, not diamonds, but ancient ice. Water ice, frozen for billions of years, perfectly preserved like a time capsule. Scientists believe this ice could tell us secrets about how the solar system began, long before life even started on Earth. NASA says this isn't just frozen water, it's frozen history. Each molecule could hold clues about the early universe. That's why future missions like Artemis are heading straight for these craters. Because if humans ever build a base on the moon, it'll probably be near these icy shadows. That ancient ice could give us water to drink, oxygen to breathe, and even fuel to explore further. Basically, survival in space starts in the dark. But beyond the science, there's something almost poetic about it. How can the coldest place in our solar system exist so close to the warmth of the sun? The answer is simple. It's all about light and darkness. The moon has no atmosphere to carry heat or scatter sunlight. So when sunlight misses a spot, that's it. It's gone forever. The darkness becomes a trap, not for light, but for warmth. Scientists call these regions cold traps. And they don't just exist on the moon. They're also found on Mercury, the planet closest to the sun. Imagine that, standing on Mercury, the sun burning above you, yet just a few steps away, there's a crater colder than Pluto. Oh, it's like space's way of saying, don't judge a planet by its distance from the sun. There's something beautiful about it, isn't there? That even in the brightest places, darkness finds a way to hide its mysteries. So next time you look up at the moon, calm, glowing, peaceful, remember this. Within that silver light are craters so dark, so untouched, that they've stayed frozen for billions of years, colder than anywhere else we've ever found. The coldest place in our solar system isn't far away. It's been there all along, waiting quietly in the shadows of our own moon.